This is a video for the course project of Virginia Tech Computer Science CS6604 Spatial Data Management class. And we are going to demonstrate our developed Android application in this video. So let's gonna start up our application from Android. So click on the menu and select our icon. This icon is a backpack. It's Safe Traveler. And this is the startup splash. And you can see the main menu here. We provided 6 functions here. Crime query and report, the crime report and the prediction, and you can perform the danger query, and we can show the heat map on the Google Map, and this is some information about our software. So first we're gonna start with the crime query function. So let's click on this icon. So you will first see the Google Map on the screen, and click on the menu. You will see some options in this menu. You can switch the map into the satellite view or the general map view, and get data or go back to your location. We set the default location at Falls Church here, and you can find the address. Then let's test some address here. 2000 U Street, Northwest DC. Right, it takes you to this place, U Street, Cardozo here. So we're gonna perform the search function here. Click on the menu and select the filter button, and you can get the location from the GPS devices, but we are now in Virginia, so there's no data from Virginia. We have to input a DC address, 2000 U Street and NW DC, and let's select the start dates. We have to use the 2010 since we only have the data set from 2006 to 2010. And for the type, you can just leave it blank to set as default and select all of the types, or you can pick some types that you want. We'll pick some, and you can select the range from 1 to 10 miles. Let's select 3, and this is ordered by daytime. Okay, submit. Okay, I didn't click. Alright, so here we have a list of the search results, and we just randomly click on one of them, and you can see the detail of this crime you searched, the event time, the block size and city and state, and the GPS location, and the criminal type and method. Alright, here is a map, and you can click on this icon and you can see this result on the map. Alright, so you can see the result on the map. We have another function to for the user to report the crime data. So let's see, click on the icon and you can see a form for you to report the crime, and click on the text box. Then you can see some input area for you to input something, and you can select the datetime from the datetime picker. Alright, so let's just use the current date and select type. Homicide? No, arson, okay. Alright. Method using fire. Fire. Block site at block site, okay, 7054. Laycock. Road. And First Church. Virginia. Let's get the location from address. You can also get it from GPS if you want. Then try it again. Okay. Maybe there's some bug here. Let's report. Alright, so we can see we reported one crime event here in nearby the Westford Church station. So since we just reported an crime event here nearby our place, so that we are going to introduce another function that we can show the warning if some new crime report is nearby your place, or you are moving into a dangerous place. So let's just randomly pick some function that's showing the map. Oops. Okay. And since there is a crime, so there is a warning alert here showing you the incident information and some warning message for you. If you feeling that it is annoying, you can also disable from here, from the settings. Here is a function for the users to query the risk in a point and within 1 mile radius. We are setting the default to 1 mile. So once you click on some place, then you will get percentage value for you to see the risk in this point in within and radius. So let's just try somewhere from DC. Is this in DC? Right. So just double tap on the screen. Alright, so you can see the message here, dangerousness, and the intensity in this area is 36.21%, and it will show the place here, the coordinates location, and it will also show the address that you click. So let's try another place. Right, 36 is pretty low. Here, oh, this has higher risk here. It's 68.75%. All right. So we have a function that called prediction that will show you we predict some crime event in the future that would happen by our historical crime data. So let's click on this button, and as you can see, here are some predicted crimes here. So by the historical data, we analyze the data, and we are expecting there will be some crime event here, and you can click on those icons and you can see the location here and where is the block site, and the type and method we are going to implement in the future. So you can see some potential crime event here. Of course, you can still perform some filtering for this prediction. So let's try. Right, we just use this address. Use 3NW DC. And let's provide, because our data is only from 2006 to 2010, so let's predict the January in 2011 to 2000 February 11, 2011, and let's just leave the type as blank here and set the range to 4 mile. Sort by data. Okay. So here is the list of the searching results for the potential crimes. We can just click on it, one of them, and it will show the detail of this prediction. And also you can show it on the map and see this crime prediction. Okay. So here is a function called heat map. We are trying to draw the risk in heat map on the Google map. So let's select area that in DC. Where is it? Alright, so here is and this area. No, this is Maryland. Okay, Bethesda. Let's just choose this area and click on menu and select this function, show heat map. Alright, it calculates and draw the heat map here. Oops. Okay, Google Maps kind of slow. So we are trying to show the heat map here, because the intensity nearby here is pretty low, so the color is green here. Okay, so if you click on this icon about, you can see some information of this software and about us.